Well, hello there and good morning. First things first, what's up, kids? Teacher Roy here with the work of the day. Today is Tuesday, 21st. So we're going to work this time with two topics that are going to be STEAM and global citizenship. Okay, the pages for STEAM, it's only one page, page 136, and global citizenship, it's page 104, page 105. Yes, it's going to be an easy work, but also you will have to do some notes. Okay, we have already done it before at school, so don't worry about it. Now, let's go real fast to the first thing of today, that is STEAM. So go to page 136. Okay, let me share my screen with you so you can see what you have to do. Give me just 1 second, and there we go. STEAM, page 136. If you look at it, it's pretty much to fill up the information about checking your understanding of the reading that you did before. If you don't remember about the reading, please make sure to go back to it and read it again. It's from page 134 and page 135 about resources. What are resources? In here, your work is going to be divided in two. First, if you don't remember about the reading, go back to read it. You will have to go back to read it. Why? Because you have to do STEAM notes on optional pages. Okay, so read information, highlight the most important of it, and then do your notes on optional pages. Okay, you're going to learn about what is a natural resource, what is a renewable resource, non-renewable resource, what is a supply, how it affects humans and Earth, what are the different renewable and non-renewable resources that we have in Earth. Um, and after that, you're going to be able to answer the check your understanding without any problems. So what would be the first part to do? First part to do is go back to the reading, read it again, highlight the information, do your STEAM notes, and then answer page 136. Okay? Good. I think it's not that complicated. Remember that if you have any doubts or questions, you can send them over through Algebraics, and I'll make sure to answer them as fast as I can. Now, let's skip real fast to global citizenship. That is going to be page 104, 105. What happens in here? Pretty much the same. First, check your understanding. How are you going to do it? With the reading that is up here about the Eastern Hemisphere. So you would have to go back to page 103 and read about the Eastern Hemisphere. Okay, what is the Eastern Hemisphere? It is the opposite side of the Western Hemisphere. Western Hemisphere is here, Eastern Hemisphere is here. That would be this part if we had a map. Okay, Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. You're going to learn about all of this in here. What happens? You have to do the same. You have to read, highlight the most important information, and then do your notes of global citizenship. Okay? Once you do that, then you can go fast and easily to answer page 104, that is about the reading that you just highlighted. Okay? I think it's not going to be that complicated, this part. And then we have this little part down here on page 105 about Mount Kilimanjaro. Mathematics, yes, you're going to be using mathematics. Okay, it's simple operations. You have to read the three exercises, the three problems that you have here, and then you have to answer. The first one says, a group of students took the Marangu route to climb up and down Mount Kilimanjaro. It took them 9 days to get to the top, another 7 days to hike back down. How many hours did they hike all together? They're not asking you about one of them. They're asking you about all together of them, how many hours. First of all, you would need to know how many hours a day has. Then you have to gather all the days together and divide them by the number of hours a day has. And then there you're going to have it there. Am I right? Am I wrong? I don't know. It's up to you. Remember, I'm not always going to give you the right answer. You need to use your brain to see if the teacher is correct or if you have a different way to get to the answer. Okay? Remember, each one of you has different ways to do things. It's not always the way the teacher says that it's going to be like that. Oh, if I say it like this, it's going to be like this forever. No. Okay. Remember, you have to use your brain. You have to see if the teacher is correct. If it's not correct, then tell him, you're not correct, teacher. Oh, yes, you're correct. Oh, I think we can do it this other way. Okay, don't worry about it. There are many ways to get to the answer. I want you to show me those ways. Okay, these 3 exercises are quite easy. You need simple mathematics. Could be multiplication or division. Could be also an addition or a subtraction. Those 4 are going to be used in these 3 exercises. Not all of them in one, but maybe 2 or 3 of them in one of the exercises. Make sure to check how to get your answers. Okay? So the work for global citizenship is to read, highlight, do your notes, and then answer these 3 exercises. Okay? Sounds good, kids? No problem at all? Perfect. So this is the work of today. As you can see, it's not that complicated. It's not too much of work. Maybe the most difficult part would be this, but remember, you have to use simple mathematics. You don't have to go with potents or many other things that we have seen through class, decimals and all that stuff, conversions. No, it's simple mathematics, subtraction, addition, multiplication, division. Those are the 4 things that you need to use to answer these 3 exercises. Okay, so please pay attention. Remember what they're asking you. Make sure to read again the questions so you can understand what you have to do. Perfect, kids. So that's all the work of today. I'll see you tomorrow with more work. Let's have some time of working. And please make sure to stay safe. Wash your hands. Don't go out. And I'll see you tomorrow, kids. Okay? Sounds good? That's all for today. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Love you.